My daily routine. Every day I wake up early. I open my eyes and look at the ceiling. The morning light is soft and warm. I feel calm and peaceful. I stretch my arms and legs slowly. Stretching helps me feel ready for the day. I breathe in deeply and breathe out. I smile because it is a new day full of possibilities. I say to myself, today will be a good day. I repeat this sentence 2 times. Today will be a good day. Today will be a good day. Next, I get out of bed carefully. I walk to the bathroom. I look at myself in the mirror. I wash my face with cold water. The water feels fresh and cool on my skin. Washing my face wakes me up. I brush my teeth gently. I use a soft toothbrush and a little toothpaste. I brush up and down, left and right. I clean my tongue too. Taking care of my teeth is important. I feel fresh and ready to start. After brushing my teeth, I go back to my room. I choose my clothes for the day. Sometimes I wear a t-shirt and jeans. Sometimes I wear a shirt and pants. I pick clean and comfortable clothes. I like to dress neatly because it makes me feel confident. Today, I wear a blue t-shirt and black pants. I say, I wear a blue t-shirt. Repeat after me. I wear a blue t-shirt. I wear a blue t-shirt. After dressing, I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I make simple food like toast with butter, eggs, or cereal. Sometimes I eat fruit like bananas or apples. Today I make scrambled eggs. I break the eggs into a bowl. I mix them with a fork. Then I cook them in a small pan. The eggs smell delicious. I feel hungry and happy. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I chew carefully and enjoy every bite. I drink a glass of water. Water helps my body wake up. Sometimes I drink tea or coffee. I like tea because it tastes good and makes me feel warm. What do you drink for breakfast? Say, I drink tea. Repeat 3 times. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink tea. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher. I wipe the table with a clean cloth. A clean kitchen looks nice and feels good. I like to keep my home tidy. I say, I clean the kitchen. Repeat after me. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. Now I get ready to start my work or study. I check my bag or laptop. I make sure I have everything I need. I plan my day. Planning helps me stay organized. I write a list of tasks or goals. For example, today, I will read a book, or I will practice English. What is your plan today? Say, today, I will study English. Repeat 3 times. Today, I will study English. Today, I will study English. Today, I will study English. I start my work or study time. I sit at my desk. I open my books or computer. I focus on my tasks. Sometimes, I take notes or highlight important points. I feel motivated. If I do not understand something, I ask questions or look for answers. Learning is a process. Do you study or work? Say, I study English every day. Repeat 3 times. I study English every day. I study English every day. I study English every day. After 1 hour, I take a short break. Breaks are important. I stand up and stretch my body. I walk around the room. I drink some water. Sometimes I look outside the window. I see trees, cars, and people. I relax my mind. How do you take breaks? Say, I take a 5-minute break. Repeat 3 times. I take a 5-minute break. I take a 5-minute break. I take a 5-minute break. I continue working or studying. I read texts, listen to audios, or write sentences. I practice speaking English aloud. Speaking helps me improve my fluency. I try to speak slowly and clearly. I repeat new words many times. I say sentences like, I like to read books, or, the weather is nice today. Can you say that? Repeat after me. I like to read books. I like to read books. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. At lunchtime, I stop my work. I prepare or eat food. Lunch is usually light for me. I might have a sandwich, salad, or soup. I eat with care. Eating well gives me energy. I drink water or juice. After lunch, I rest for a few minutes. Rest helps my body and mind. What do you eat for lunch? Say, I eat a sandwich. Repeat 3 times. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. After resting, I return to my tasks. I stay focused but take small breaks if I need. In the afternoon, I also do some exercise. Exercise is good for health. I stretch, walk, or do yoga. Sometimes I run outside. Running makes me feel strong and happy. I breathe deeply while exercising. Do you exercise every day? Say, I exercise every day. Repeat 3 times. I exercise every day. I exercise every day. I exercise every day. In the evening, I finish work or study. I clean my desk. I organize my books and papers. A clean workspace helps me feel calm. Then I relax. I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I call my friends or family. Talking with loved ones makes me happy. Who do you talk to? Say, I talk to my family. Repeat 3 times. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. Dinner time comes. I eat a healthy meal. I like vegetables, rice, or chicken. I try to eat slowly and enjoy my food. After dinner, I wash the dishes again. Keeping my home clean is important. What do you eat for dinner? Say, I eat rice and vegetables. Repeat 3 times. I eat rice and vegetables. I eat rice and vegetables. I eat rice and vegetables. After dinner, I prepare for bed. I take a warm shower. The water feels nice and relaxing. I put on my pajamas. I brush my teeth carefully again. I read a little book before sleeping. Reading helps me calm my mind. I feel peaceful. Before sleeping, I think about my day. I remember what I did well. I plan for tomorrow. I feel thankful for the good things. I say, today was a good day. Repeat after me. Today was a good day. Today was a good day. I close my eyes and fall asleep slowly. This is my daily routine. Every day is different but simple. I practice English in my daily life. You can do the same. Talk about your routine, practice new words, and keep learning. Try to speak slowly and clearly. Practice every day. You will improve. Remember, English is fun when you use it daily.